All right, I noticed, just looking at these things, I noticed a small error over here. I'm not sure you caught that or not. There should be a plus sign there. And again, I hope I can remember as I come back to these things to correct those errors. If not, point it out to me. Anyway, questions. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I do like multiple choice, by the way. For one, it gives me some advantage that I'm looking at these things. It gives me some advantage. I'm going to say over here, though, I'm not saying it's a great advantage. I'm still going to have to integrate this guy over here, and that could take some time and effort to get through it. Otherwise, over here, these look difficult. Again, you got an infinite sum over here. It's crazy looking, if you ask me. Over here, it doesn't look that bad. I guess I could figure that one out pretty quickly, by the way. 3, I'm hoping that probably integration's going to be doable because they have an answer over there. Number 4, look kind of tough. I'll be honest with you, that does look tough. And the reason for that, it's just nested, right? It's really tough to see what the nesting is. Number 5, boy, that looks like a familiar question, doesn't it? Use the cast. Actually, I think we've done this one before, right? My suspicion is it's really the same question. Again, there's a missing plus sign over here. Hope I can remember that to correct it. If not, please point it out to me. Again, video, blue area with the solution in it. And again, you'll have access to the document and the key. Number 2, video, work in the blue area. All right. Number 3, video, blue area. This seems like it's work. All right. You look at this one, the length of it, like work, work, work. All right. You may want to take a look at that and consider how much work goes into that. Right. So, but the correct choice is Z. I want to point out this question was given on a standardized exam that contained 66 questions, and it was timed at 170 minutes, by the way. I find that to be, remarkable that people can do 66 questions in 170 minutes. Here's the deal, though. If you're young and you're practiced, that's probably doable. So I do remember taking exams when I was much younger where I would be, really racing through these exams because they're incredibly long. They're multiple choice, by the way, and you'd have to, answer questions, and you couldn't just stagnate anything. You had to get the answer quick, and sometimes that meant not finishing it. Coming to sort of like a point in that problem where you say, "Oh, I think I know the answer," and then circling it and move on. Number 4, again, the video over here in the blue area. There's going to be some work down over here. I also provide a visual for those students that want the visual. Number 5, I do believe that this is a repetition of another problem. It just looks too familiar to me, right? At least in recent memory, by the way. But I go through that. I use a computer algebra system. I'm using Sage to find the root. And I think I might also use, no, I just use Sage to find the root. I didn't use any other technique except Sage, by the way. And that is a computer algebra system. You're free to use whatever system you want, by the way. I realize a lot of students might be using Wolfram Alpha. Other students may be using Desmos. Whatever works for you. And that's critical, by the way. You want to start to use software that works for you, all right? Be open to what other people are using, though. And certainly if they want to show it to you, all the more power. Thank you.